Hi guys. Well, this is a random project I'm doing. I just found a bunch of scrap wood laying around the farm at Sandra's hobby farm, and I decided to make myself a workbench. Because eventually the wood's just gonna sit there and rot if we don't do nothing with it, because it's outdoors. So it's gonna be weather beaten. So find what you can, do what you do, and you get what you want, right? So oh yeah, and a reminder, these are just entertainment videos only. It's not for instructional videos. It's just my creative juice kicking in and doing my DIY projects. All right. Hopefully you enjoy the videos. Like, share, and comment. Is that how it works? Well, I guess that's how it works. Okay, bye. This is my random DIY workbench. So, we have workbench. But instead of me carrying, I just want to put a wheel so I can just push it. But it's still heavy.
Of course.
But I want a heavy bench.
Ngày có tôi nè, tôi tiền nè,
ต้องเฮ็ดเวียกไปเนาะตัดนี่ตัดนั่นเลยนะฮะนะ
มันก็ไม่ใหญ่ขนาดโคตร
มันหนัก
หนัก
Okay, I'll show you how it works. Put it down. Got a rope. Pull. And then you want to take it somewhere else? Because this table weighs a ton. And there's a reason for this. Because it's my workbench. Now, instead of letting things rot and throwing away because the rain, the sun, weather beat, because everything's messed up. So, I got a workbench. But,
Yay or nay?
if you guys could buy one, buy one. This is just me saving what we have around because it's gonna go in the scrap wood anyway, or it's the fire pit. So I'm gonna use it until I lose it. Oh, to put it down is like this. Gotta be a little strong. Got a little power. See? Doesn't go. But if you pull it like this, workbench. Workbench. Oh, if anybody want to adopt a dog, let me know.
Yeah.
It's a big girl. Remember
This is
that's
a boy.
week old right there. She's like a little piglet. Workbench.